Picture this. You're preparing for one of life's biggest events, like welcoming a new baby. Or maybe you're recovering from an unexpected twist like a broken leg, or you need to take a leave to focus on a serious mental health issue. Did you know these are all moments in life when you can benefit from having disability insurance? While disability insurance offered through your workplace benefits covers serious accidents or severe health issues, it's also about everyday events, and these may be more common than you might expect. That's where disability insurance comes in, offering you financial confidence and support when life throws the unexpected your way. In fact, just over 1 in 4 of today's 20-year-olds will experience a disability-based leave from work at some point before they retire. How long would your savings last if you were unable to work? 1 week? 3 months? A year? Having a baby, facing a cancer diagnosis, or suffering from anxiety can take you out of work for a while. And while you're focusing on recovering, you shouldn't have to bear the mental burden of worrying about your finances too. There are 2 types of disability insurance that work together to help protect your income. The first type of coverage is short-term disability insurance, which replaces a portion of your paycheck for a certain period of time and pays you a weekly cash benefit. The second type is long-term disability insurance, which picks up where your short-term disability payments end and provides a portion of your income if your condition keeps you out of work for an extended period. You get a monthly cash benefit, which can last up to your retirement age if you become disabled and are unable to work. You'll also have access to resources and support that can help get you back to work or learn new skills and continue to work in new ways. So how much disability insurance do you need? Typically, a good rule of thumb is to have coverage for at least 50 to 60% of your after-tax income. Depending on what benefits are offered, consider purchasing disability insurance at your workplace. It's a simple and affordable way to help get the added financial protection you need, so you and your loved ones are protected, no matter what comes your way. Remember, support for your mind, body, and wallet begins with your workplace benefits. Be sure to take advantage of yours.